Trading and golf are both an expensive way to lose your balls if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do and have put in the time to learn, then you'll always be a few strokes over or under par on any given day. So today, let's talk about exploring how long it really takes to get good at trading. Hi there and welcome. It's Phil from the Anti-Investor Stocks and Options Trading Podcast, where we talk about what really works and consistently wins at trading the financial markets. My goal is to give you the right tool, the correct rules, the software to assist you, a community to support you, and if you will allow me to be a mentor to show you the right way so that you get real results in the fastest and smartest possible way. So then, let's get into today's topic. How long does it take to learn my system, or any system for that matter? Now, this is one of the more common questions that I get asked, but let's just compare this to the game of golf for just a moment. I could give you the rule book to golf, and in less than an hour, you would know the game. You know how it's played and what to do to play that game, and ultimately keep score with that game. It's a rule-based system. It's quite easy to learn, just like my trading system. However, just like golf, you do need to put in focused practice to become more proficient. Then you can enjoy the game for the rest of your life. And over time, you will continue to get better with experience. And again, it's comparable to so many things that you may have done in your life. Learning to drive, playing a musical instrument, and the list can go on and on and on. But the basic set of rules that are there for each and everything is there to learn. And ultimately, there's a system for learning if you know how you best learn. And then when you have the basics, there are several lessons to put those basics into practice so that you become not just competent, but also proficient at the act of trading. And then you can enjoy the fruits of your labor for the rest of your life and continue to improve as you gain experience, as we keep saying. So trading is no different when you think about it in this context. You need a system of rules to follow, and you're able to measure yourself against the expected results so that you can measure yourself over a period of time to see whether you're over or under par, to stick with the golfer metaphor. So continued practice will also then mean that your average expectation will improve over time. Again, you'll have a scoring system to see whether you're over or under par, or how many strokes that you have. What's your handicap over a period of games, over the long-term period of assessing your golfing game or your trading game for that matter. If you're already proficient and you've got that basic skill set, then the same exercises, the same processes, the same routines will help you become better over a period of time. You can also upgrade your tools to become better, hire mentors to become better, and you get rid of those bad habits. And again, it's the same thing. We could be talking about golf, we could be talking about trading, we could be talking about learning how to drive, how to fly a plane, how to become better at insert the thing that you want to become better at. So how long will it take you to learn my system or any system? Only you truly know that for yourself. But when you know how to learn and you understand that concept, then you'll know for yourself how fast that you can pick things up. I've had people that take a couple of weeks to learn my system because they've already got that basic skill set. They just need it reorganizing into a logical, coherent process. Whereas someone who's perhaps at the newer end of the spectrum, there's a little bit of a steeper learning curve. You've got to learn the basics and then learn the system to use those basics in place. So the speed is relative to how fast or slow that you learn things, and it's also relative to where you are on your journey. If today's your day one, it's going to perhaps be a little bit longer than you anticipated, but the journey is well worth driving to get to the destination. So that's it. Very simple, quick podcast today. How long does it take to learn trading? How long is a piece of string? Double its half. Only you know the true answer to that, because you learn at different paces to everyone else, and we all learn in different ways as well. But if you're completely dedicated to this, you can learn how to trade and become at least very basically proficient with a system. Assuming that it's rule-based, which all mine are, then you should be able to plug into that system to start seeing results in a very short space of time. So if you like what you heard today, be sure to follow and listen from the very first episode where I go through one of my favourite systems. And if you go back just a few episodes, you'll see my 2024 trading system outlined, as well as an update to that. If you'd like to learn more about my mentorships, head over to antivestor.com, or you can shoot me an email to phil@antivestor.com and let's start the conversation. I don't know if what I do is right for you, but I've always got time for serious traders who want some assistance, and at the very least, I'll put you off in the right direction. So with that said, have a great day, have a great week. I'll speak to you at the same time next time, and bye for now. Toodaloo trader. Keep in mind that futures, options on futures, stocks and stock option trading involve a degree of risk that may not be suitable for all investors. There is a risk of loss in every investment that you make, and it's your responsibility to assess the risks of your decisions. Past performance is no guarantee of future performance, and Antivestor provides educational information and does not provide financial advice.